Hi all, this is Uttam Singh from Solar Pivot Power, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you how we build your portable solar robot right here in the US. We are a startup, which means we do things a little differently. Our approach to manufacturing is designed to be scalable, and while this is our first step, we're laying the groundwork to building more advanced and complex solutions down the road. Right now, we're ramping up production from 15 to 30 units per week, which includes assembly, testing, packaging, and shipping, and basically everything needed to get pSolBot 1 into your hands. Alright, let's start with the big picture. The pSolBot 1 is built as a modular platform, meaning it's designed to evolve. Out of the box, it supports 100 to 200 watt solar panels, but we've got some pretty exciting upgrades planned for the future versions. The system consists of two main parts. The main body, this is where all the magic happens. It houses the electromechanical components that makes the system tick. And then there are the appendages. These are the carriage and stand, which allow for smooth movement, stability, and flexibility to mount panels of various sizes. Now, at the risk of nerding out a little too much, let me walk you through how we put this thing together. We start with the hands-on grimy work, which is attaching parts to our custom telescopic tubes. These aren't just any tubes, they're double-slotted non-rotational tubes, which means convenient and smooth operation for the user. This step involves mixing high-strength epoxy in small batches, carefully aligning components and letting them cure for up to 6 hours, which, trust me, feels like an eternity when you're waiting to move on to the next step. The main body assembly is where things get really satisfying. At this point, it's almost like putting together Lego pieces, except these Legos are made from carbon steel and industrial-grade 3D prints. All the parts needed for building your robot are itemized in our inventory and ready for assembly. These include various switches, different types of electrical wires with appropriate connectors, half a dozen different types of fasteners, precision machine gears, shafts, bearings, spring-loaded plungers, rechargeable batteries, etc. We also use a custom-made geared motor that provides the required torque while being very power efficient. Once we have binned all the parts, including the circuit board with our special software sauce, we start assembling the main body. We have taken the approach of building our product with 3D printed parts instead of injection molding, which can cost anywhere from $150,000 to $250,000. Advances in 3D printing allows us to build a durable product at a reasonable cost, though the parts require some post-print processing. This includes tapping some threads on the parts and some slight adjustments for a satisfying fit. Our load-bearing components are printed using nylon and carbon fiber filaments, thanks to our production partners' fancy professional class machines. These machines are capable of printing material at a very high temperature in a controlled environment. They're a great alternative to injection molding and a good fit for our product as we start production. We print some simpler parts right here. And here's a cool twist. Our entire in-house printing process and lighting is powered by the sun. Huge shout out to Pecron, our portable power station partner, for keeping things running clean and green. Here we are printing an object that provides protection for the motor and also has a slot to affix our logo sticker. We also have all the accessories ready for your reward fulfillment. Accessories like cables, stakes, straps, auxiliary solar panel, camping bags, etc. Now let's be real, building an affordable high-tech product in the US isn't exactly easy. The manufacturing and financing ecosystem just isn't set up for small startups like us. But thanks to your support, we're making this happen. And here's something we're really proud of. We did it all without outside investors or any government funding. This journey from design to fabrication, from refining to shipping, has been one of problem solving, late nights, and a whole lot of coffee. And thanks to your support, we are bringing the first truly portable solar tracking system to life. We are also just getting started. We can't wait for you to experience the pSolBot 1 for yourself, along with our high-performance solar panels. Thank you for being part of this journey. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.